Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to delete your account data on Gmail. If you're looking to remove your Gmail account from your device, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. Step 4. On the Google account page, select Data and Privacy. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the option to download or delete your data. Step 6. Tap on Delete a Google service. Step 7. Choose Delete Gmail. Step 8. Type in your email address associated with the Gmail account. Step 9. Click on Send Verification Email. Step 10. Please note that Gmail won't be deleted until you've verified your new email address by clicking the link in the verification message. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully delete your account data on Gmail. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching.